bloated ka. Pagkain. Ito ba? Gusto mo? Alin ba?
Ano? Ano gusto mo? Mamaya na. Asa yung shake? Mukhang yung pagkakayelo. No? Ganun talaga, merong titikman na hindi. Ano gusto ko? Order tayo isang gabi. Ikaw kumakas. Ikaw muna. Tubig ang gusto. Mamaya na lang.
Oo, mamaya na.
Sige. Baka...
Pag nabusog kasi
Asan ba? Mamaya. Order na natin. Ano? Steam yata. How you cook the king crab? And you have bottled water too? Bottled?
Bayaran lang yun. Bayaran ito.
Here we have ice. Ice.
Sorry.
Ano mo kung ano babayaran natin?
Sila magbabayad dyan. Carbon paper. Binayaran nyo?
Oo. Magkano ba? Tama. Tama? Thank you.
How is it? Crocodile.
Wala?
Mm.
Muna try?
Try daw.
Try mo lang. Try mo lang.
Lagay mo yung ice coco. Na-shokot siya.
Ano ba yung in-order mo nila?
Fish.
Ito.
Oo.
That's spicy, that's sweet, that's...
Okay na.
Spicy, sweet, and peanut. Okay. Dami na. Meron dito bituka. This is scallop. May tofu. May bituka dalawa. Ooh, this looks nice, oh. Sarap.
Ito yung spicy.
That's a peanut sauce.
Ay, peanut.
Sarap ba?
Masarap ay yung ano niya.
Ano yan? Meron ako nakita.
Pagutan mo na.
Parang may itlog to. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito.
Nagore ko?
But I want my tofu. My favorite tofu. Tayo, tofu. Late kasi ng plato eh. Tap. Some scallop. Bito ka ng manok. Bito ka ng baboy.
Hindi, okay na ako dito.
Ubusin ba natin ito? Share tayo.
Ubusin mo.
Yung scallop. Ito wala naman to teamwork. Ito scallop. Scallop.
Ubusin namin tata yung ano niya. Ate yung nilagay mo kanina ko.
Yung suka, no?
Wala sa nito. Pumira.
I don't remember.
That's a crocodile.
Okay.
Ito, masarap. Masarap. Isang bito ka mo. Sarap nga eh.
Itong sinangsawa niya.
Ginawa niya.
Asan yung siomay kanina?
Ito ba? Siomay. Ay, ito pala. Siomay. Siomay lap. So, lahat ng drinks bayad na?
Lahat ng drink, third one.
Ano to? Honey, what is this again? Duck?
Oh, that was duck. That could be duck. That's duck.
Duck. Duck.
Means I don't know what this is. Huh.
Ito, fish ball lang to. Hindi. Ano? Squid ball. Lobster ball. And then this one is lamb.
Oh. That's
Scallop yan.
not
Mussel.
scallop.
Mussel.
Mussel?
Clam. I think
Clam.
clams in it.
Sarap. Lahat ang tango. Would be better if there's vinegar. No, suka.
Hindi, wala sila
Yung
alam.
suka, sibuyas.
Hindi sila marunong. Wala sila.
Iba yung ano nila talaga.
Okay na.
Wala nang kalamansi, diba?
No, duck. Duck. Baby.
Bebe. Eat baby? Ito ano to?
Bibe. Ano to? Parang, masarap eh.
Itik.
I was taught by a Frenchman, so what the fuck?
Baby. Si Kuya Patrick, French ba? French siya?
Caledonia.
Ha?
Caledonia siya.
Caledonian. Anong salita niya?
Friends.
Caledonian.
French.
Tagal. Okay. Sarap. Pero kailangan lang mix.
Ano yun?
Sarap. Ang sarap nito. Nakakamiss.
Proper problem is when you order it like this,
Mm.
you forget what the fucking hell's meant to be.
Mm. Ma, pag hindi mo maubos, lagay na lang ito. Uwi natin. Lalo naman tayong ulam. Sarap. So, ito ba yung siomai? Ah, ano yun? Ayun ba?
Nandiyan ka na yung patak man. Saan mo? Diba lumubag?
Yung the lobster one, it tastes just like a squid ball.
Yeah, so you just dyed it pink.
Masarap pala yung ano. Yung crocodile.
Crocodile.
Crocodile tastes good na Peter. Oh.
Tastes like chicken.
Mas masarap. Mas masarap yan.
How's the crocodile? How's the duck? That's the duck? How is it?
Looks nice. Looks good. This is Shoma.
Oh, okay.
Which is average. But to be honest, a lot of it all tastes exactly the same because whatever they dipped it in before they fried it,
Same.
thing. So that tastes the same as that, tastes the same as that, tastes the same as that. And I think they've got like a coating. And then they fry it.
Ano ba yan?
Ang problema lang matigas. Bobby.
Barbie? Barbie? Kala ko sabi Barbie.
Bobby.
Short for barbecue. Hanghang ba? Hanghang eh.
Bit of editing going on when you figure that. Bit of editing going on when you get back. Dropping the bone on there.